Oké, allemaal. Oké, iedereen is hier?
Ja,
Ik denk dat iedereen luistert.
niet te dichtbij. Oh.
Dus eerst dankjewel dat de mensen, de vrouwen, voor de organisatie of WeShare. Ik denk het is een goed initiatief. En is precies dezelfde filosofie, de coöperatie voor wat ik heb begin. Dus het is leuk dat jullie hebben ook willen iets proberen te doen. Het is een klein festival, maar is gebeurd, is hier, is vandaag. Dus wij moeten zeggen dankjewel voor deze initiatief.
Ja, bedankt.
Otherwise, ik ben niet hier. Dus zonder jullie ben ik ook niet hier. Dus waarom ik ben hier is daarom ik heb ook een opportuniteit te zeggen mijn idee, mijn filosofie of change. Ik wil een beetje praten over de coöperatie in het begin, maar just de begin. En daarna mijn opinie of change. Waarom ik het begin de eco-revolte is eerst daarom ik denk is nu tijd. Ik was tijd te voeren, maar misschien was het te jong. Maar voor mij is tijd te doen iets, eerst voor mijzelf, over wat is gebeurd in de wereld. En niet wat is gebeurd in mijn kamer of mijn auto, maar echt wat is gebeurd op in mijn huis, meer. En kijk, wat ik kan doen mijzelf, alleen mijzelf, voor wat is gebeurd. Dus ik heb begin deze coöperatie, ik heb eerst begrepen dat alleen, we kunnen niks doen. Dat is clear. Dus my first idea it was just to find the good people or find people which they like the same idea and to start to make a group to start this cooperation. Doesn't matter.
Wat die guy.
Yeah, I don't know.
Het kan ook zijn dat die.
Ja. Anyway, de idee of deze coöperatie, ik ben kook, chef-kook, patissier, bakker, dus ik weet een beetje over eten, over de food, en daarom ik begin via de food. Want de mensen beginnen met kunst, met politiek, sociaal. Mijn ding is de food, dus ik begin met food. Wat is gebeurd, voor exemple hier in Nederland? Ik wil ook zeggen, sorry voor mijn Nederland, is niet genoeg goed.
Is genoeg.
Ik praat alles, dus ik ga soms Engels,
Ja, door.
Nederlands
Ja.
en Frans. Oké, dus simpel, in Nederland is hier veel food waste. En mensen zeggen, wat is food waste? Is wat is never coming in the shop. In supermarket, Haagse Markt, doesn't matter, it's never coming in the market. It just stays somewhere where nobody can see, where nobody can understand why we have so much food in Holland and why it costs so much expensive in the shop.
Yeah.
And why also some people cannot buy it anymore. They cannot buy for any reason. This is another question. But then we make calculation with people, they know about food, they know about how much people, how much kilo we can eat everyone. Then we know this is named overproduction. It's not in food waste, it's overproduction. These things is do express to keep the price high, like a diamond, petrol, everything which is value. We give them value. But the food is natural, it's just from the nature. That's why we have to pushing more the nature to make more money for someone and less for the other one, and throw away. This is where I started to make my story. This is niet meer normal.
Nee.
Dus we start to try to save some food waste. Dus before, just a few years ago, every importer, groothandel, big distribution, before they just throw away. Dus they pay some afval, just to throw away. Dus weg. Now, of course, it's a new business because they see, okay, we can make money also with this. But it's again the same people. Dus before they throw away, and they have to pay because it's afval, and we are in Netherlands, dus they have to pay also to throw away. Dus the people they're also seeking, the importer, the groothandel is crazy. We have to throw away, we have to pay.
Ja.
Then I said, okay, then I can help you. One importer, a big one. So I can help you. I buy everything. You don't have to pay anymore. You don't have to throw away anymore. I pay it. Of course, we're creating a parallel business. Then, at the moment, we're going to be so much
these people are going to have a problem also. Because if we buy always food waste, it's always more food waste because we don't go in the shop they buy more, less, the importer still buying more, this is more food, it's never finished. Why we start the food waste is not to save the food waste, is to show the stupidity of this food waste. And for the moment it's here in Holland, that's why I start like this, because it's here. I can do nothing. We can do nothing for the moment. This I start, we have to use this food waste to show that it's just, we are stupid to throw away, just because it's a little bit kaput, or it's a little bit niet mooi, niet de goede kleur, niet rood,
Beetje krom, ja precies.
Then, and we accept here, and now it's part of us. It's part of our children. Our children, they think the cucumber, you have to be like this. The tomato, you have to be round and hard like a mule. They don't know. They don't know anymore. And we cannot teach them because there's nothing around us to teach them. It's impossible.
It is.
I mean, is it possible?
More,
of course,
more.
this is where I'm coming. In this way, it's impossible. If we go in every supermarket, everything is nice in the line, nice color. There's no taste, but it's here. And the question is, why is here? Why is so much food here? And why we cannot get it? Why? Then we see that it's a business over food. And this is where it's also not normal that we leave some people get the power of food. This food waste, my idea of this food waste is that you have to stop. And how to stop is to boycotting these people. They're making fake food, remodifier, pesticide, everything which is not normal, is not natural. We have to boycott these people. Then they have to stop to producing these things. If we give them always the power and the energy and our money to follow, they never stop. And the food waste is never stop. This food waste is here in Holland. For the moment, we try to make something with this food waste until we hope, it can be in hope, as in doing today, we try to make a change. We can also hoping. We hope that maybe some people, we have to be positive and not pessimist. We have to hoping that this industrial, commercial, maybe they change also. Because they see, okay, everybody want to change, maybe we have to change also. If it's their interest, they go to do. For sure, because they're looking always, where is the interest? Then we have to give them the interest is for us to have a good food. If we boycotting this fake food, this cancer food, and I really is for me important that we have to know these things they give us cancer. For our children, the mother, for the medic, they give direct cancer food or antibiotic. We have to stop to accept here, and the change you have to be in ourselves.
Yes.
We cannot ask someone to change us. It's impossible. It's just impossible. First, they don't want. It's not their interest again. This we step by step. When I was thinking about the food and everything, it never got to stop because we accept here always. And now we accept here our food waste. We don't care. First, we don't care because we don't know. We don't know. When we make shopping everywhere, every day, we never thinking that is more food somewhere else. And some more people, they cannot eat it. Why I start these things is because I'm a revolter. I'm revolted with myself. I cannot accept here anymore to see these things. It's not possible. We cannot accept here that mango from Africa or banana, ananas, avocado, everything is come from the nature in Africa because it's just more safe. It's just natural. There they have, here we don't have it. Okay, here we have bloemkool and witte Okay, so we have to accept here, or we move. But we can also make a deal with the African people. There's no problem with India or China. We can make a deal, but I like to say it's a responsibility part. If you take care of your heart, just your piece of land, we take care to buy everything. It's not a problem about buying. But you don't have to make more just for us to have the best. No, we have to buy everything what you're doing because you do his best. You don't have to leave 40% of the wrong. After we put in the plastic, we leave also 40% somewhere in the hook here. And after we buy something, which is of course after 80%, and we have to make 80% more expensive, then we have to buy for €2 a kilo apple when we know the farmer just get 10 cents for the kilo apple. We know this, we know, but we don't want to know. Otherwise, we don't go to buy anymore the apple. We don't feel it good. We just don't want to know. We don't want to know. But we have to see that farmers, they're suiciding every day. We have people everywhere in the world, they are dying for not eating. And we throw away. And it's not, of course, we can still throw away. We never go to save the African people like this. I know this. But what I know is that if we don't forcing them to producing more, they can have a better life. They can have also their home product, because we have also to know that they cannot eating their whole product. Somebody working for Chiquita Banana, he has no right to take one banana. They kill him directly. And for robbery, something is natural. No, you have to work for $1 per week sometime, and if you get one banana, they kill him. And then we have to know this. When we buy Chiquita, or we don't have to buy it, but if we think we have to buy it, we have to think that when you buy it, you're supporting this esclavagist. This guy, he just killed other people. But when you buy something which is not natural, you just make supporting. Do we want this? Some people say, I don't care, I like the Chiquita Banana. But what I want to say about changing is we have to change to make everything better. And still, people dying every 5 seconds. Every 5 seconds, is already 30 people that are dying more because they cannot get their home food. It's just there for them. If you go in Africa, everywhere you have everything, avocado, it's just there. But they have no right to touch it because it's for selling, exportation. And we accept here because we want Arba in February, mango, the whole year we have mango. We have grenade, everything we have it. And now we want it. Now if in a groentenwinkel you don't have Arba in February, the plant is weg. Nee, ik wil mijn Arba. Under plastic. And what we do with this plastic? Because there's a lot of things about food which one guy alone can change nothing. The unique manière, in my opinion, it's just my opinion, everybody can be thinking differently. In my opinion, the unique manière to change something, a little bit, is a small changing, is already to boycott. It's already when first we try to don't go anymore in the supermarket. We try. If we go inside, it's just to buy the essential stuff. We don't touch, we don't looking anymore, fruit, fish, meat, which the meat is no meat, it's just a piece of something full of injection of antibiotic, and it's just nothing. Melek, it's just nothing, it's just a liquid with a white powder inside. We don't know what is inside, it's antibiotic, it's pesticide, it's just dangerous.
Hormone.
And we don't need it. We don't need this product. It's why we buy something we don't need for our body. It's not necessary. For the other people, not necessary. We pay really expensive something. First we don't need it. Then we buy it, we don't like it, we throw away. For what? This is totally ridiculous. Then we have to thinking first what I can do it myself to make something better. But it's not better just for yourself, it's better for everybody. We see when we go in somewhere in holiday, when everybody is happy because it's holiday, everything is okay. Everybody say, this is the life. And you have sand, you have drink, like 8, and you say this is the life. Why? This expression is not existing the whole year.
Yeah.
Why? Oh, why? Because we don't want. We want to go in holiday. One day, with the money, we make it really hard working, making money to buy the stupid things in the supermarket to make easy life.
Ouais.
The life, we have to be clear, the life is not easy. Our way to going is not easy. But we are here. We have to do something together, seriously. Not anymore, this guy is bad, Why we are bad or good, it's just where we're born, what is our tradition, our culture, our father, mother, ambiance. But we can be different. We just don't know. In my opinion, again, some people say, I know. I didn't know, you can say. But it's always just my opinion, my feeling. Where I want to going with this is, we can be always, and I'm going to use a bad word, we can be pissed off with the government, with the system, everything, the system. I'm really against the system. We have to know, Eco-Revolt is against this system, but not system economic or political. No, this system, we're creating these things, and now we are against. But we give the power at these people. And they don't get the power if we don't give them. No. We are the power. We are the power together. We are the power. They don't have any power if we don't give them. Then to don't give them, we have to change. And be honest, I have a lot of things to do myself. But I try to start. And I start, and to be honest, it's easier, and it's like a big marathon. A marathon alone is difficult. When we have 1,000 people with us, it's easy. I start, and I hope I can
Go together.
go together and take people. Because I see, and you know Amanda, I see that a lot of people, they want to do something, they want to change, or they change, if it's the good way, we don't know, but they want to do others, they want to do something different, but they don't know what we can do, where we can start. And this is where I want to start. I start with food, you start with the reading, and people, they're starting, because they have to feel better for themselves first. We have to feel better. We cannot stay frustrated and accept here with payment, we pay. How many? We pay. And to be honest, in Netherlands, this is where I see that it's just we pay. We don't want to fighting with the belasting, we don't fight in the garages is 600 euros for nothing, but we pay. It's finish. But in France, we are always fighting for everything. We always discussing. This different. It's always difficult. We have to be sure. We question again. This, I don't know, I don't say someone is better than others. I also see with travel that it will be so nice to learning about everyone.
Yes.
It will be so perfect because we can see that in India or in Africa, everywhere, we have really good things. Good art, good product, good idea, but we are always in competition.
Yes.
This country is not good, this is not good, this is nice, this is my friend. But the people, the population, they see, they know we can be together. We know. Just some people, they manipulate us to make us angry for the color, for the language, for the tradition, for the culture. They make us angry, but they manipulate us to not be sure about what we can think. Again, it's because we give them the power to make us this manipulation. To be honest, for me, I want a long time ago. I want to go far away, alone in the bosque, just alone. I see these people; they are really crazy. But it's not going to change nothing. Maybe it's going to change, but it changes nothing. Just making something. These are learning also. Because I was a lot of years criticize people that say everybody is crazy. We are crazy. But me, no, I'm not crazy. They are crazy. Does it take me years to change? I'm also crazy to accept here. It takes me time. Talking to people, more educated, or people they read more books, or they are on their way. They can explain me more things about politics, about social economy. Now we know that everything is easy if we just opening our eyes and we're opening our heart. And this is where we are a problem. Because when you're opening your heart, you are more debil. You are more debil. You're not strong anymore. Because you have to listen to your heart in the beginning. And this, it takes time. It takes time to listen. Again, in my opinion, take time to listen. Because of course, it's totally in contradiction with these things. It's in contradiction direct. So of course, we're learning first to be slim. We never learning to be friendly, love. Never. In the school, nobody talk about love. Never. Sex, yes, but love. What is love? Giving love, give something, give your hand. We don't learning about this. It's after you are different. The whole education, the system, the government, everything is because we give them the right to manipulate us. And now I would like to give them the right to stay where they are, they do what they want, they go in the yacht, in Saint-Tropez, where they want, they leave us alone. I mean alone together. And for me, I'm saying it's a time, and we see today, it's a changing, it's today, and yesterday also, but I mean today, it can be a good start. Today we can decide, okay, today I'm going to try to make something, one thing. For example, if somebody buy the L-Star apple in Albert Heijn, because you love it, we have to know that and every apple, chemical apple, cancer apple, is more than 30 products of the apple. Because every apple you see in every supermarket, they are full of 30 chemical products up. You say, I can clean it. No, it's inside the apple. Because it's coming from the bone. And the bone gives the life of the apple. Because the apple is full of chemical products. Yeah. Do we want to eat this? If you like it, okay, go. But after, we cannot ask him that the Verzecuring don't pay for the concert. Yeah, because you give your concert for yourself. Who going to pay for this? Nobody. You pay already. Always give your food, your money at the food concert food. Then we have to make the choice. Do we want to buy these things or not? Of course, other people they say, Michel, it's not easy because you cannot find a biologisch groenten or. I know. Again, we give the power of these people to put the nice people with biologisch groenten, the good slagerij, the good bakker. It's weg. Why is weg? Because we always want to make easy and cheaper. And who make this? The supermarket. We give them again the power. We have to change. We have to make a group of people, and I would like to name a local, a sort of cooperatie locale. We don't need somebody who have the power with 20 shops, as Albertin, Jumbo, Aldi, Carrefour, Auchan. Why, again, they are here is because we give them the power. Imagine, we're working 8 hours, some 12, 15, 16 hours. We give our best, because the time we are with the best energy is 8 o'clock to 8 o'clock in the night. There's our best energy we give at somebody, or someone, some company. There's our best energy we give at someone, he pays us something, and with this money we give again, because it's the same guy, we give him back with the concert product, because it's the same people. Imagine the owner of Carrefour, he have 1,000 employees, the 1,000 employees, they make the shopping in Carrefour. It's the same for Albertin. You never see children in Albertin buying the food in Jumbo. They're not going to do. You have Korting in Albertin. They're never going to do. These things we have to change. We have to niet meer accepteren. And I know, believe it, I know, it's not easy. I know. But between not easy and not possible is a big step. And we can do it. We can do it. I'm sure. And I'm proof. From 3 or 4 months, first I stopped to receive the salary from my company to start something new. And I know we need money, hélas, it's not a bad word, money, but you have to be equitable. For the moment we need it, we don't know, we know, but we cannot do it without. For the moment. But why we cannot share this money? I always say, in place of everyone, we give our money at the same guy, Albertin, Carrefour, Auchan, Nestlé, Danone, Unilever, Monsanto. In place of this, why we don't make, I would like to say, on the way, because we give a little bit of our money at everyone, at the small baker, at the small snacker, at the small restaurant. Then we just give a little bit of our money at everyone. If we do like this, again, we share. We share because we don't give the whole portemonnaie from everyone at the same people. Now we give from our money a little bit from at everyone. And then we can start a new economy. It's the only way to start something. Yeah, Michel, it's not possible. You know the economy. I know this. We are here. Again, because we accept. We accept here that there's some people in America, they have right to make a new billet. It's something, it's not existing, it's just papier. It's out of the printer. The cost is 50 cents, but we cut it and it's $1,000. And this dollar, they can buy food in Holland, or put a new company in Holland, or in Frankrijk. Again, because we accept here. Yes, I would like to say, and to finish with this, because I also would like to give the last time as my friend, and my new friend from 5 minutes ago. I didn't know him, but I read about what he's writing, and I love it. And to be honest, 5 days ago, when I see the program, and I looking what he's doing, and it gives me also more reason to be here, and more reason to say it's possible. Because this man here is from India, I'm from Frankrijk, and we think the same thing. We are not crazy. People that are here tonight, they are not crazy, and we are not alone. We are not alone, we are here. And we share today something, and tomorrow a little bit more. And why not follow like this? And if we have to head to creating biologisch groenten, biologisch is not biologisch pakketje from Albertin. This is not biologisch, it's industrial bio. There's nothing to do. Biologisch is to go back to talking with the farmer, talking with these people, they make something.
Yeah.
They give these people, they have the power. Because if they stop working, we have nothing for eating. Nothing. That's why they're also creating the fake food, of course. Because they know if they stop, we need something. But this is biologisch. Biologisch is just to come back, talking with the guys who make the wine, who make the beer, seriously. If you do seriously, and you can do it because we give him this power, we can buy it. you can have a nice life. Again, we can prove with an economic system, we can prove the farmer can have a better life. Because now, in this time, the people the most important, which they take care of the nature, they are the less paid. It's
Stupid. Yeah.
It's totally crazy. It's totally crazy. People dying in Africa, it's incredible. They send us the whole food here in Europe or in America. They send everything they send here. And there they die for not eating. And we accept here again. It's totally crazy. Why we give this value at these things here and place just not accept here to receive? We know in Holland we are 30 million. We know we can eat, for example, 100 kilo per month food. It means 140 million kilo. That's it. We don't need more. The rest give it under country. This is share. This is share. Not like here we have 300 million tons of food and we throw away 40% before to be in the supermarket. Then we the supermarket throw away 40% again. And at home, when the datum is finished and it's not so nice, we throw away 30% of what we buy. We buy it with our money. We sweat like this and we throw away. Because the packaging is said tomorrow is done. Tomorrow I'm not here, I'm over. But now we see datum over zout. Zout met datum. We go to zout, pasta, rice, with datum. And this datum in the supermarket is thrown away 6 days before. We throw away, oh, no, I cannot eat it. Oh, I'm afraid. No, first, it's stupid to be afraid because this thing is totally chemical. You can be here for 20 years more, you don't move. And we can make a test. And we can take some hard apple or some apple, you live here, huh? You will see it's no mouse, no cucaracha, I don't know the name.
Kakkelak.
You can see they go to turn around, they never go to eat. You can leave an hamburger from McDonald's here, they go to be here. Because they know the insect, they know this thing is dangerous for us. And we eat it, we don't care. It's unbelievable. To finish with, there's a story, which otherwise I would talk for
Tomorrow.
my friend Carolino. We're creating this Eco Revolt to start something. And everybody is welcome in our cooperative. We want also to say that if we manage to make a sort of good plan, economic, social, everything, if we manage, we are hoping is that somebody robbery the ID. Because now we in the moment we put patent and we save our ID to make more money. Because if you have an ID, you can make more money with this. This is we're learning in the school, we're learning in the life. Now I want to say, who have the best ID, please give him. Please, please, please. Because we want to make something, but we have no ID. If some people have some ID and we can prove it's good, please take it. Robbery, please start somewhere else. This is the Eco Revolt. It's about the food waste, about education, again, over the food, and talking together, cooking together. People they say we don't have time to cook. You have time. You don't just because everybody at the same time. We have 24 hours. It's the same. Right. The time is here. We don't take the time. But we are in front of television 3 hours. We are in front of computer 3 hours. 2 hours of the iPad, 3 hours of telephone. This is 9 uur for niks. You can make half 4 hours for niks. And 4 hours with your family cooking together. And you're going to see you have a lot of time. Lot of time. With this kind of thing we have to change. Step by step. In place of, I don't have time because I have so much time in front of television. You have to eat. I buy something preparing, put in the magneton. I don't care. The children, they are in the couch with the iPad. The father is with the computer tafel. There's no family anymore. There's no fooding. We have to come back at the nature. What is nature? Is to take something, cooking, talking, enjoy. This is easy. It's really easy. We make complicated. We are human. We are human. And this is why it's complicated. It's because we are human. We're thinking. We are so, I like to say, we are beautiful. We are beautiful. And we do just stupid things. Why? And this is where we have to think. Why? Because we are beautiful. We are perfect. Nature is perfect. It's here. We are in totally harmony. That is perfect. You can believe or not believe. This is another question. But something is true. It's here. It's here. Of the heart, we have nature, and we are here. We are in body. Express redin, with a liver, with an stomach. Everything is for something. And now we never think about this. We just go in the hospital when we are sick. But we don't think what is good for us, what is not good for us. These things is not good. Hij is lekker. Is wel lekker. Coca-Cola is lekker. Maar is niet goed voor ons. En is niet goed voor de haven, het is lekker. What is inside? Aspartame. What is aspartame? Okay, go to look. We love internet. Okay, we go internet, but for something good, to have information. This kind of thing we have to do. It costs nothing. I'm saying it costs really nothing. It just costs time to thinking. We don't have time. Take time, because I want to prove with food and life, family. Now we are in the way of thinking. We have to working more to get more money to buy more food. Is a big mistake. We have to work less to get more. It's impossible. Now it's impossible. Okay, then we have to try to do it. We have to try to do it, to make possible. And the unique manner, again, is together. Is together. If you don't have time to go in the nice book to buy a liquor cars in Zoetermeer, someone in the cooperative of the friends have time. Next week is your time. Next week is your time. This kind of cooperative we can create really easy. Really easy. And we go in the book and we buy a nice big cheese. We cut in, we share. Again, we share. And it's nice and cheese. We share. We have the best price. We have the best cheese. And we help somebody in Netherlands. He do his best. And this is with everything. This is with everything. We can do it. Cooperative Eco-Revolt start like this to help people. They really want to do something. They have no idea, no time, no money, a lot of reason. Then we want to help them, but not help them like charity, coming is everything for free. No, no, no. Nothing is for free. We help you to make something. If you do something for the cooperative will do something for you. This kind of thing we want to try to do it, to change, because before I want to change the world, we have to change the world, and it's impossible. We have to change, because we are the world. Just we have to change one per one, and then there's a new world. This is what I want to finish. I want to finish with
Bravo, bravo, bravo.
the